Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reset HP G4 docking station, step-by-step reset and troubleshooting tutorial. Step 1. Disconnect the laptop. Unplug the docking station cable, USB-C or Thunderbolt from your laptop. Step 2. Unplug from power. Then unplug the dock's AC power adapter from the wall outlet or surge protector. Step 3. Drain residual power. Then press and hold the power button on the top or front of the docking station for 15 to 30 seconds. This drains any remaining electrical charge from the internal capacitors. Step 4. Reconnect the power. Then plug the AC adapter directly into a working wall outlet and then into the docking station. Step 5. Reconnect to the laptop. Once done, plug the dock cable back into your laptop's USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Here are some advanced troubleshooting and diagnostics. If a hard reset doesn't restore full functionality, use these troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Update firmware and drivers. Simply go to the HP customer support portal and enter your dock's specific G4 model serial number to download and install the latest firmware updates. Then check your laptop manufacturer's website to ensure your laptop's BIOS, graphics, and Thunderbolt or USB-C controller drivers are completely up to date. Step 2. Verify Thunderbolt software for Thunderbolt G4 models. Open the Thunderbolt Control Center or approved Thunderbolt Devices app on your laptop. Then check if the G4 dock is listed, and if it is marked as not connected or requires authentication, change the security level to always connect to permit the dock full access. Step 3. Check for overheating. Make sure the dock is placed on a hard, flat surface and that the vents are not covered by paper or desk clutter. Then unplug non-essential USB peripherals to see if thermal or power load issues is resolved. Step 4. Direct connection issues. If your displays or USB devices are randomly disconnecting, ensure that the dock is plugged directly into a high-speed USB-C or Thunderbolt port on your laptop. And avoid plugging the dock into passive USB hubs, extension cords, or dongles, as they can restrict data and power delivery. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.